Hello everybody, my name is it's me Anna, and today we will be, oh no, I look horrible. Like I was saying, we'll be eating ORBEEZ. We gonna I don't need these flashlights anymore. But like I was saying, we are gonna buy today. Yes, there's a flashlight on my face right now. But we're just gonna be eating 3 ORBEEZ because you don't want to die for real. Hey, don't you dare bounce away. Look at these little bouncy things. Stop. Wait. So yeah, it's fun to watch them bounce, but don't eat them. Oh my gosh. Okay, well I guess we will be eating 2. Or 1. Okay, I lost my ORBEEZ, so we're just gonna have to pour some more. No, we need more than that. Hey, no. Okay, so I think we'll be eating a lot. What do I mean by a lot? I think I mean 6 ORBEEZ. 6 ORBEEZ. I got some pop over here. I'm just gonna take away 3. So, and put them back in here. And play with these ORBEEZ before I eat them. Because, you want to play first. Play first with them. So, see how they bounce? They're playing basketball. That almost fell. If that fell, I almost died. Okay, so I'm taking this tablet. Let's see which one can bounce onto the tablet. Okay, I stand up. Okay, how about we just do? Oh, here it is. I found. Okay. It needs to be cleaned off. It has germs on it. But it bounced on the tablet though. Oh, okay. Okay, you wanna play? Well, you can't even escape. So, of course, guys, I'm not going to eat the one that came off of the floor. Like, why would I do that? So, what should we do when it's on the floor? I'm just going to set these clean ones on right there and chop them in half. Oh, okay. I chopped the ORBEEZ, guys. I chop it. Okay, I'm going to switch the camera angle so you guys can see a closer look of it. Okay, so I put them on the pot. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that looks so awesome. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so awesome. Wow. Whoa. Oh, okay. Wait, whoa, it's fast. Oh my gosh. Yes, I know, guys. It fell. How embarrassing is that? Okay, I'm not doing pottery here. Uh-oh, why would I throw this mess? Oh, no. No, I would never do that. But it's time to eat the ORBEEZ now. I had fun playing with this. Here's my last words of this world. I don't actually want to eat these right now because I actually wanna. I feel like these are dirty. They real dirty. Okay. I didn't even know that I was still recording. Okay. I clapped because sometimes it makes it stop recording. But it didn't this time. I wonder why. But it's time to eat these ORBEEZ now.